DJT stock analysis. This is for tomorrow and onward. In this 1-minute video, I'm telling you whether Trump media and technology stock is a buy or not for me. So watch this short video till the end. Even the fact that we are a percent down, where the heck are we going to begin to move next? I want to be perfectly upfront and clear, bro. This is in this melting stage, where even the fact that maybe the price has finally taken the highs. I mean, at least I'm seeing some movement, because obviously, there's two ways that this thing could have went. We broke the highs or the lows, and we managed to break the highs. So what's up with this? One break is obviously not game changer by any means. There's obviously money to be made, but unless I see the price actually giving me some sort of real structure and real meat, meaning pull downs and a confirmation, then obviously I'm not gonna buy. There's obviously nothing supposed to be bought or should be bought. I mean, should is just a big word, which I don't like, but do whatever works for you. I mean, I'm sticking myself to something that I've tested for 40,000 videos, so if you want to make more money trading in a simple lean way, click the first link in the description. That is a free newsletter. Goodbye.